How do I connect my Kraken Kitty headset to my Xbox One?
Hello there, techies. Today we're going to be walking through the process of connecting your Kraken Kitty headset to your Xbox One. This is a common question that many of you have been asking, so we're here to provide a clear, concise guide to get you set up and ready to game.
What do you need?
First things first, you need to make sure you have all the necessary components. This includes your Xbox One, your Kraken Kitty headset, and a 3.5mm audio cable. The Kraken Kitty headset usually comes with the audio cable, but if you've lost it, you can easily purchase a new one.
Where do I plug in my headset?
On your Xbox One controller, you'll find a 3.5mm audio port at the bottom. This is where you'll be connecting your headset. If your controller doesn't have this port, don't panic. You might need to purchase an Xbox One stereo headset adapter.
How do I connect my headset?
Now that we have all the necessary components, let's get your headset connected. Take your 3.5mm audio cable and plug one end into the headset jack of your Kraken Kitty headset. Then, plug the other end into the 3.5mm audio port on your Xbox One controller.
How do I check if my headset is working?
Once your headset is connected, it's important to check if everything is working as it should be. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Then, go to Profile and System, Settings, General, Volume and Audio Output. You should be able to see headset listed under Speaker Audio. This means your Xbox One has detected your Kraken Kitty headset. Try playing some audio or start a game to ensure everything sounds right. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Kraken Kitty headset to your Xbox One. You're now ready to dive into an immersive gaming experience with your newly connected headset. We hope this guide was helpful. Remember, the world of tech might seem complicated at first, but with the right guidance, nothing is too difficult to tackle. Happy gaming!